Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED Lightbar Taillight installation guide for 2015 to 2017 Ford F150. The tools needed include a 1/4 inch ratchet and an 8mm deep socket. Let's start by opening the tailgate. Remove the two 8mm screws securing the taillight. Unseat the taillight by pulling it towards the rear of the truck. Remove the reverse light socket. Disconnect the brake light plug. Remove the OEM taillight and bring over the new Spyder taillight. Connect the brake light plug. Plug the reverse socket into the new taillight. Push the wiring harness into the truck. Seat the new taillight, then reinstall the two 8mm screws to secure the light. Close the tailgate and your installation is complete. Let's take a look at the before and after. On the left is the OEM unit and on the right is the Spyder Auto LED Lightbar taillight. Congrats, you just installed your Spyder Auto LED taillights on your F150. Before taking your vehicle back on the road, make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions. Thank you for viewing the Spyder Auto installation video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.